Hallo, wir von INKISH Dach freuen uns sehr, den 4. Tag der Koenig und Bauer Live-Events präsentieren zu dürfen mit dem Top-Thema digitale Verpackungslösungen. Guten Morgen, liebe Freunde von INKISH. Ich bin Andreas Weber und leite für INKISH die Geschäfte in Deutschland, Österreich und der Schweiz. Ich freue mich ganz besonders, dass heute ein tolles Thema dran ist am 4. Tag der Koenig und Bauer Live-Events. Und es geht um digitale Verpackungen und interessante Lösungen. Und sie kommen aus einem super spannenden Joint-Venture, das vor 1,5 Jahren gegründet wurde und die Firma Durst, Fototechnik auf der einen Seite und Koenig und Bauer auf der anderen Seite haben sich zusammengetan, um ihr Wissen, ihre Kompetenzen, ihre Fertigungsmöglichkeiten und ihre Marktkenntnis zu nutzen, tatsächlich Innovationen leisten zu können, gemeinsam. Und mein guter alter Freund Robert Stabler ist seit letztem Jahr im Sommer als Managing Director dabei und wird uns heute sicher hochspannende Dinge berichten können. Seien wir also gespannt und wie immer kritisch wachsam. Also, alles wird gut.
Welcome to today's Koenig and Bauer live show. Today at day 4 we are joined by Robert Stabler, Managing Director of the joint venture between Koenig and Bauer and Durst. He is going to talk about what's new in the exciting world of digital printing for folding carton and corrugated packaging production. Robert, welcome. We all know due to travel restrictions you're actually in your London office. I see in the background some sporting memorabilia or trophies. Are you a big sports fan?
Well, thank you, Sven. Thanks so much for the introductions, and sorry I can't be with you there today. And in answer to your question, yes, I am a big sports fan. I'm a lifelong follower of Chelsea Football Club, a London football team. And from my time in the United States, I fell in love with baseball and became a fan of the New York Yankees.
Explain the background of this joint venture. Why was it formed and what are the targets?
The joint venture, Sven, was formed last year between Koenig and Bauer and Durst. And our target is to really create compelling solutions for both the corrugated packaging industry and the folding carton industry.
Robert, I know you were developing solutions to show at Drupa this year. In the corrugated segment, you already have a powerful portfolio in the market. What is new with your Delta SPC 130 and CorruJet platforms?
Yeah, so Sven, based on the bedrock that I mentioned around automated and industrial solutions, we're really trying with our latest innovations to take that to the next level. On the SPC 130, today we have customers that are producing between 15 and 20 million square meters consistently a year. And we've added a couple of innovations based on their requirements to really broaden the application gamut that they can address with the press. First, we will be introducing a digital priming unit for uncoated media on the press. So this means that customers will in essence be able to print on a very, very broad range of uncoated media. This increases their production flexibility. They'll also, with that digital varnish capability, be able to produce some special effects that some of our customers are really very excited about. We'll be betaing that digital primer unit in the second half of this year, and we'll have a full launch at the beginning of 2021. Second, on the SPC 130, we are introducing special colours for the 5th and 6th colour station, which enable customers to be able to meet special brand requirements with orange, with violet, as an example, and we will be betaing those in the second half of this year and bringing fully to the market at the beginning of next year. So this is all around this notion of making the press more productive, more industrial, and giving it the agility that customers need. Kolb in southern Germany. So that press is now fully launched. It really is for those customers that have exacting quality requirements. It produces exceptional print quality on a broad range of medias. It has a hybrid design, so with a flexo coating unit, optimizing for uncoated and coated medias, and a flexo station for a post-print varnish. It is a 4-color press running 5,500 sheets, 1.7 meters wide. So we're really excited for those customers that have exacting quality requirements, very, very high addressable volumes in digital print, that the Corajet will meet their needs. In addition to that, the trend that I mentioned earlier on food security and food provenance is going to be an increasingly complex regulatory environment. And one thing we are committed to at Koenig Bauer Durst is having water-based inks that meet all the major regulatory environments for primary food packaging. And we believe that that is critical for our customers going forward, so they can buy a press that they can absolutely use for the maximum range of applications possible.
In the folding carton space, where Koenig & Bauer has a very strong position in offset, what are your launch plans for the much anticipated VariJet 106?
Yes, we're really excited about the opportunities with the VariJet 106, and we're excited about it because our customers are telling us that the compelling trends we're seeing elsewhere in the packaging industry, the move to shorter run lengths, the need to be more agile, are actually also happening in the folding carton segment. The VariJet 106, we were planning to show a Drupa that was going to be happening right now. It runs at 6,000 B1 sheets per hour. It has a highly automated productive platforming consistent with our design values. It's a 7-color press, so it gives exceptional color gamut and quality. So it really is aimed at moving those folding carton presses, folding carton jobs that are very, very short run off an offset press onto a press that is more optimized for those shorter runs. And our plan is to be, of course, we will show it at the Drupa in April 2021, but our plan is we'll be moving into the beta phase at the end of this year, so we'll be selecting betas in H2 next year and starting the betas at the beginning of next year. And there'll be a full product launch of the VariJet 106 after Drupa in the mid-2021 timeframe.
Expect from Koenig & Bauer Durst when we meet in person in April next year in 2021?
Yes, we're already looking forward to Drupa next year, and of course, as any trade show, we'll have a few surprises that we can't disclose now. But you know, our thinking for the trade show is very much to position how these market changes are really creating opportunities for converters and brand owners. So we will be looking at a whole end-to-end solution incorporating artificial intelligence and machine learning to create outstanding productive quality for converters of primary food packaging and non-food packaging on the booth. We're living in really quite uncertain times, and our challenge at the show, and the challenge for the industry at the show, is to show how we can embrace this change and come up with solutions that enable converters and brand owners to maximize profitability in this unfolding paradigm. And we're really excited about doing that with the most productive, food safe, end-to-end solutions in the industry. So thank you, Sven, for giving me the opportunity today. I really appreciate it.
Liebe Freunde von INKISH, der 4. Tag der Koenig und Bauer Live-Events ging, glaube ich, fulminant zu Ende. Robert Stabler hat uns sehr genau erklärt, was digitale Verpackungsdruck-Lösungen bedeuten können, sowohl für den Wellpappe-Bereich als auch für den Faltschachtel-Bereich. Und mich hat es sehr, sehr beeindruckt, vor allen Dingen, welche Entschlossenheit, welche Dynamik und auch welche hohe Professionalität dahinter steht. Denn der Digitaldruck ist all die Jahre daran gescheitert, dass er eben kein industrielles Fertigungsniveau erreichen konnte. Ich glaube, der Punkt ist jetzt überschritten zum Nutzen aller, der Druckereien natürlich, der Markeninhaber, der Verpackungsbesteller und auch der Verpackungskonsumenten. Und ich empfehle sehr, nächste Woche den Replay der kompletten Session anzuschauen. Und bis dahin verbleibe ich nach einer wirklich ereignisreichen Woche und großer Vorfreude auf das erholsame Wochenende. Ihr Andreas Weber von INKISH. Und tschüss!